Italian gave us a pizza, Sri Lankan gave us a hopper. Today we are going to put them together. Crispy hopper base and melted cheese, fresh veg and spicy chicken curry. Okay, let's make hopper pizza. In Italy, pizza start with dough. But here we are start with hopper batter. This is my rice mixer. Now I am going to add coconut milk. Keep some time. Pizza toppings. Today I am going to do Sri Lankan style. Now I am going to make chicken curry. This is for my vegetarian lovers, hopper pizza with mushroom. This is little bit spicy. If you like spicy, this is the one. Okay, let's make pizza.
Pizza? Are you sure?
Sri Lankan pizza. Here we are, Sri Lankan pizza. This is my vegetarian pizza. Okay. I'm going to taste now. The coconut flavor comes from Hopper batter, and spicy melted cheese and curry flavor, it's amazing. This like pizza you never tasted before. If you like the video, like, subscribe and comment me what food do you want next.